Gadget, move!
Well, I've got nothing back over there now.
There's more, 3 of them. Slice the wax.
Okay, Dave, I'm going to move.
3 yellows in there, get them!
I don't like giving it that one.
Gotta get aggressive, guys, push on. What have we got, fellas?
3 just the left of the trail.
What's the rear?
We need 2 to cover the rear.
Watch it, get already. Watch it, get already.
Keep watching there, Red. Keep watching your 12. Keep watching your 12. Keep coming out there.
Yellow's going right. Going right. Go with it. Right to the trail.
Both hands on the same thing door. In the bushes.
Go clear, go with it. 2 of them, go in. Contact rear!
Contact rear!
We've got to cover that! We've got to move!
Guys, we've got to push through that contact rear. Guys, we've got to go through. We've got contact rear.
Okay, go!
Red, move up!
Go rolling him back, Reg. Call him back. There's one red there. Call him back with you.
Head!
Head!
Where's the fire coming from? It might not have been from the rear. Just watch our rear, Brad.
No, still alive! Still alive!
John! You can move!
Hold on! Move! Medic!
Go through.
Come on, push past him.
Come on! Fire! Come back!
Keep watching that suit.
You're on the 2, but we need more guns up here! Lay down!
No, it's here. Through here. Deep in there. There.
Shoulder, what's the shoulder plate? Down! Medic! 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 He's down by the tree! Push through! Down by the tree! Back in! Go back in! Go!
Cover the left.
Go!
We've got Red still a tunnel off. Lead out, Red. Fall back.
Lead out!
Cover him now. Okay, he's just coming back to it. He's just some fire there.
He's down, the one on the left, down!
Just watch your 6. Fire. Watch the back. Follow us as we break out.
Coming through. Head! Head!
Dead man coming through.